Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am delighted to share a concise tutorial on how to perform a factory default on a Hikvision DVR. To initiate the factory default process on the Hikvision DVR, begin by right-clicking on the monitor screen and selecting the menu option. Enter the password or pattern as required. Next, access the maintenance menu to proceed with the factory default procedure. Click on the factory default button, and then confirm by selecting OK. At this point, the factory default process is nearly complete. Allow the DVR to reboot. Once the DVR has powered on again, it will have successfully returned to its initial settings. I believe this video provides sufficient guidance. If you found this video helpful, I kindly request you to consider subscribing to my channel, giving it a thumbs up, and sharing it with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.